To everything, there is a season. It's an ancient quote attributed to King Solomon, but it's as appropriate today as ever. Now let's take a look at one season in particular, spring, and we'll show you an online activity that can help smooth out the rest of your seasons from beginning to end with a click of a mouse.
Spring. It's the traditional season for cleaning and organizing the home. But an organized home isn't just clean closets. The spring is also a good time to get your personal finances in order. Anyone who spent much time spring cleaning knows the importance of the right tools. The same logic applies to your personal finances. Today, more and more people are turning to the internet in an effort to make the most of their time and to get the best deals on a variety of financial services. InsWeb, located at www.insweb.com, is the newest way for customers to comparison shop for insurance. At InsWeb, consumers can fill out a single form and receive multiple insurance quotes from multiple carriers. It's one of the fastest and easiest ways to calculate your insurance needs and find out how to meet them as economically as possible.
The best part about shopping at InsWeb is that it was easy, convenient, and I saved over $800.
If you're trying to set your financial affairs in order, it pays to do your homework. And in this case, it pays to do it on the web. For .com, I'm Corey James.